How to delete search history on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can actually delete your search history on eBay. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, make sure you have either downloaded or updated the eBay app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store in the search box, typing in eBay, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the eBay app, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So in order to clear our search history on eBay, you just need to go to the search bar at the top, and you can see the saved search history versus the recent search history. To clear your recent search history, you can simply tap on this button which says clear recent search history. However, if for some reason this option is not showing up, there's also another way that you can do to go ahead and tap on this little pencil or the three lines icon at the top left corner, and you'll see all sorts of various options. Over here, you want to simply go ahead and then look for settings. Once you go to settings, you'll be able to see all sorts of various options again. And over here, what you want to do is you want to actually scroll down. So let me just go ahead and open up settings again, and let me scroll down a little bit. Over here, you can find this button which is clear search history, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the button which is clear search history, and then tap on OK again, and this is it. This is how you can delete your search history on eBay. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.